Friday morning. Kurt and I had just finished packing the Jetta up, and we were about to hit the road. I'm gonna try to do about 9-ish, 10-ish hours today, get past Indianapolis, get a hotel, and get some sleep. So I'm gonna go hit a gas station and get on the road. At our last stop in Maryland, pick up some fractured prune donuts. Oh yeah. Worth the pit stop. And we're about to get on the road. Tires are aired up, tank's full, coolant level's good, oil's good, power steering's good, AC's good, and got some fuel myself. Alright, so we made it to the hotel in Indianapolis. Car's been running fantastic, and it's a beautiful day, so we didn't have to use AC. We're gonna call it a day early and rest up because we're both pretty exhausted already. Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. Indianapolis. Got the car loaded back up. Kurt is checking out of the hotel, and we're about to hit the road. It is a beautiful day so far, and it's only gonna get hotter, so we're gonna get on the road, get some miles behind us, and see if we can't make it to Texas today. I think Ellen can do it. It's a matter of can Kurt and I, so let's see. Just crossed into Oklahoma, getting cold drinks, and getting back on the road. Where are we staying tonight? Where are we staying tonight?
A hotel.
What was the town?
There is no town. It's the middle of fucking nowhere.
Alright, so we're staying at a hotel in nowhere. So after a long day on the road, we are just past Oklahoma City in El Reno. Ellen is doing fantastic. We had the AC cranking today, and it was friggin' ice cold. So nice. My average from yesterday was 37.8 miles per gallon. And today the first tank averaged 34.4, I believe, miles per gallon. 8-valve cam, chip, exhaust, great gas mileage. Fueled up in Vega, Texas, about to cross into New Mexico. The car's doing great. It was really hot, but now it is breezy and beautiful, and we are in the middle of nowhere. Just got to our hotel in Flagstaff, Arizona. Again, car's been running fantastic all day long. AC, no AC. But look at this view. Stopped at a rest stop to pick up some drinks and give the car a little rest. It is hot as hell out here in the desert, but the car's doing great. Got the AC rolling and about to get on the road. Got about a half a tank before we're gonna pull off, stop, fill up, and continue on to Los Angeles. Yeah, I've officially landed in North Hollywood. Oh my God. Woo! So, right back where all of this started. A little over a month ago. We made it. What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for following along on this crazy road trip adventure. But it doesn't end here. Due to everything that's going on in the world with COVID and the effects that's having on the film industry and really all non-essential industries, it's looking like I'm gonna be moving back to Maryland. So next month, my one roommate and I are gonna be packing my Jetta all the way full with all of our belongings and making the trip back to Maryland. But with this move is gonna come a new workspace, which I'll be posting videos on when I get to Maryland. And I'm gonna be digging into one of the craziest Mark II builds that I could possibly imagine to do. So stay tuned, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.